My name is John and I am a weight loss coach. And if you've been struggling with the weight loss thing like I used to, where you would do good for a while and you give up and you would say, screw this, I'm just going back to the way I was eating before, then here's something to think about. You know, a while back, actually a long time back, when I was a kid, all right, I used to ride dirt bikes. And I remember my dad used to take us out to this desert area, and there was this sand dune that was a big incline, okay? My dad used to be able to ride up it on his motorcycle, and I would go up and I'd go like halfway and then go back down, and then go a little bit away and then go back down. And I did that for a number of weeks until I finally figured out how to go all the way up the sand dune. But on that same day, the first day, day number one, when my dad was able to get up to the top, I would take the long way and go all the way up to the top of the dune. Now, I was able to get to the top, wasn't I? I was able to get there. It took longer than my dad, who could go up right away, but I was able to get there. That's the slow and steady approach, right? And likewise, if you're trying to lose weight by thinking that you need to go straight for the shortest path, the path that's going to get you there the fastest. I mean, I could tell you right now, I could give you a plan that would, on paper, likely help you lose weight pretty quickly. Now, there might be some problems and bumps down the road, but for right now in the beginning, you could lose weight pretty quickly. I mean, it could be something like, let's do some intermittent fasting, let's eat less carbs, let's get a little bit more movement, a little exercise in, let's lift some weights, let's get some better sleep, let's look at your vitamins. You know what I mean? We could do all of those things, but doing all of those things when you were just eating McDonald's and cheeseburgers and ice cream at night, you just, like that, not very realistic, is it? Just like it wasn't very realistic for me, who was a novice at riding motorcycles, to go up that sand dune like my dad was able to. However, to get to the top, you don't have to do all those things right now. You just need to do the path that is easy for you to do right now, and then you take the next path and the next path. So little by little, you get a little bit better and you get a little bit better and a little bit better. And hey, you know what? If you get stuck for a couple weeks at like, hey, I'm not really taking anything else either out of my diet, or I'm changing the way that I eat where I don't eat as much food, whatever plan it is that you're following, little by little, you will get there if you don't push it too hard. If you push it too hard, you'll probably end up giving up. And I don't want that for you. Follow me for some more.